With just 2 lines of C# code, I can create and use a graphical slider, such as this console mode program here, that prints out an ASCII representation of a sine wave that I can control with the sliders I just created. This is a simple C# console mode program that prints out asterisks to the console window as a sine wave that represents any data that we might want to change or control in real time. Now let's add a couple sliders to control both the amplitude and the frequency. First, I state using Sagebox.main. Now I can use dev slider to create my amplitude slider and set amplitude to the position of the slider itself. Now when I run it, you can see it starts at 0. I'm going to fix that in a second, but now I have full control over the amplitude. Now let's create a frequency slider. To have a slider start where we want, I use the default keyword and set it to amplitude. And with a frequency slider, I set the default to frequency. Then I set dev slider F to make it a floating point slider, and then set a range of 0.1 to 5.0. Then I simply set the frequency to the position of the frequency slider. So now when I run it, I have full control over the sine wave with the 2 sliders I just created and 4 lines of C# code.